couple pitfalls that you want to avoid when you're doing these things. First one is you only want to use lowercase characters for your UTMs. It's just a better thing because analytics is case sensitive, and will think a capitalized version is different from a lowercase version. You also don't want to use spaces in any of your parameters. It's okay to use a hyphen or an underscore if you're looking to kind of make a space, but don't use any actual spaces within these parameters as you're writing them. So I've got, and again, be consistent. GBP listing dash listings all lowercase versus GBP uppercase dash listing versus GBP underscore listing versus GBP listing without the dash. Those are all different. They're all different. And if you inadvertently put one in differently than the other one, it's going to throw things off. So although they look similar, they're going to be seen as different things in analytics. So again, kind of tracking this up front, putting together some form of trackable listing information is going to be your best bet in keeping this thing consistent.